Okay, right, so it's video now. It's started again. Right, so I'll do this just in case. Now, yesterday I was doing the brakes and I was doing the rear calipers. And I cleaned out the bleed nipples with a very, very small drill because they were full of rust. And that was the size of the drill. Anyway, it snapped and I stabbed myself with the finger and I dropped the bleed nipple. And I dropped it and it went somewhere down here on the floor in one of these tubs, one of these boxes. We've been through most of the boxes and you're right, we can't find it. But we went through and we found a box of pliers. Snap-on pliers, snap-on pliers, snap-on sidecars. Honestly, full of water, I might add. Now, I'll just show you quickly because this is not much left on this card anyway. But that shows the quality of snap-on, look. They've been in water, submerged, under that bench, and they still work. So we're going to give them a coat of cider vinegar and give them an oil, and they'll be back in action. We still didn't find the bleed nipple, so we're no better off on that department. And in reality, I might just have to bite the bullet and blank it off. Anyway, my right hand man here is painting the top of the fuel tank, which I think I showed you yesterday that I'm going to have to power wash out. But if I power wash it and it goes rusty on the top, I'm going to jet wash it inside with some high foam coal carter, and then I will do it. He's also going to mix me up the dipping fluid. Bit of advertisement there. I'm not paid for that, by the way. In my hand cleaner tub because I need to clean up that lot there because that's all my bonnet was. Now I found something for you guys. We found some side pipes which my boy said that would look great on the car under the bench. These are the side pipes.
Now you're just trying to play with me, huh?
Yeah, he is. He said we should fit them like that or like that, or maybe like Whistling Diesel approach, have them like that.
Stacks.
What do you think? I like that idea.
Yeah, a stack.
I like that idea. I like that. I like that. Not a lot. Anyway, so the plan was clean that, and we're going to be moving some cars. So we might get some video again of some of the cars we're moving. But this is one I'm just going to throw open to you avid viewers to tell me, in the bottom of that box of rusty tools, I found this. Now, I found this, and I think I know what it is. And I'm going to make a guess, but I'd like you guys, if you think you know what it is, please comment in the comments section, because am I allowed to tell them what I think it is?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So I think it's off 600E. I think it's on the quarter panel, you know, on the rear, like where the panel up to the roof. And I think it was on a quarter panel, 600E, like Cortina Mark II. But I might be wrong. So if I'm wrong, please tell me and tell me what you think it is. If you're short of a lock, don't get locked out because there's plenty there. So that's our mission for now, and this is our black paint going onto the old fuel tank. And I've got to block these up because these, I'm not using any of this. This is all being blocked off. That's all that fuel tank is an American fuel tank, which I think it was Series 2 fuel tank with all that emission crap, so I'm not going to be using that. I am not going down that road. I've been down that road before and that's over now. So, as we say, like and subscribe. Follow us about on Instagram. And for all those viewers who view the videos and don't subscribe, please subscribe. It'd be really nice if you did. And also comment, because even if you tell me how crap it all is, I'd be like, it's just a comment and I'm happy with it. Talk to you soon. Bye.